And let's start. But don't start because I have to try it. So like this, and it looks like this, and the edges. So let's start and just looking like that. Boxy part. It's a boxy part. Here's how the back looks like, and here's how the tires and the engine looks like. The garbage slug. Make this sound. Make this sound too. Body back. Blah blah. Why does this bounce like plastic? What happened? It's not even spongy. You gotta go on the lap. He went to the lap. Okay. Now he's gonna try again. And he is stuck on the lap. And I will help him with the lap with his engine. Into the car he goes. Come back. Come back. You made my spider. No. Yeah. There's a spider. Garbage slug. He does this. What's my But this into the unknown. Here's the lab. And open this up. And this is the garbage. Look, I think it has garbage sack and a lab. I think it has garbage. So here is a lab. No lap, and it just goes this way. So this part gets opened up and just let me glass. And that this. And all of the garbage. Oh, this is own. I think it does this by its own because there's a wire. And there's a wire, I think. But swan. I put the ball in. And where is it? Where did it go? Did it disappear? Where did it go? And I only have one of these. I only have one of that thing. That's only one toy that I have like that. And it's gone forever into a little garbage truck. And he's the mama. Trucky mama. Watch me go this fast.